I need to make a hole in this strip of metal for mounting this socket in. First thing I'm going to do is drill out the corners.
And then cutting off the burrs on the back of the holes with a larger drill.
Now I need to cut between those holes, and I could cut that with an angle grinder, but that's messy. So I'm going to shear it. So that wasn't optimal because ideally I would be banging against this side, not that side, but I couldn't get it in there like that in the vise. And for these lines, I need to put it in like this, but that would mean flattening the flanges here. So I'm going to use this extra piece of metal and put that behind. Before you yell tool abuse, I bought this chisel at a yard sale, and I think it had last been used on masonry because the front tip had about a 1mm radius to it. And what I just did here is I just ground it square, and that actually worked much better than a cold chisel would have for this application. And this hole is shaped the way it is so I can install a socket from the front, and that way the ears help hold on this cover, and this covers most of my handiwork. There used to be fluorescent lights up here, and I'm installing a narrow electrical box inside the fixture. Socket goes in there, and that way I don't have to tear things apart. The light fixture used to be hidden behind the trim, but without anything particularly reflective, not much of the light made it out, so it wasn't that good at lighting up the room. So now with a socket I can just turn on the light switch and turn on the lights I have plugged in.